The Marikana Commission continues with, of course, renewed energy and faith after the court granted the lawyers legal aid. Tell us more.
Yes, the South Gauteng High Court did grant Dali Mpofu's legal team permission to seek financing from Legal Aid South Africa. And we do know from our interview with the spokesperson of Legal Aid yesterday that they have mandated that they would give 17 million rand towards the legal costs of the Dali Mpofu's legal team between now and March, or up until the commission has concluded or reached a conclusion. So it's good news on that front that the miners who were injured and wounded in that particular incident will be getting financial aid when it comes to their legal assistance.
Nozimtombi, now Colonel Duncan Scott is on the hot seat today. What information has come to light today in his cross-examination?
The biggest information that Advocate George Bizoz had asked Colonel Scott was, why is it that police failed to follow procedure? And in his defense, Colonel Scott has said that the Scott plan that they had followed did not entail shooting the miners with live ammunition, and that plan had evolved out of the fact that the police were afraid of the miners that were on the copy, and that the miners were aggressive and belligerent towards police. Therefore, the police officers who were on the ground reacted really out of fear and shot at the miners in a bid to push them back away from the police sinyana, away from the police line that was forming there. So really you find that as a story emerges around what actually happened on that day, you get a sense that the police themselves, it was a situation that was unprecedented, and a situation that they never experienced before when it comes to crowd management control, and it was a situation that spiraled out of control very easily. And you also get the sense that the miners were extremely angry and they wanted compensation, and they were not moving off that copy unless they were getting compensation. So you get a sense from the story that there was a lot of uncertainty and anything could have happened. And as a consequence of that, police shot 34 miners dead with live ammunition, and over 80 miners who were on that copy were injured.
Thank you so much. That was SABC reporter Nozimtombi Miya on the latest on the Marikana Commission.